let's just work on fixing the connection. So this is, let me see. Find the dynamic connections. No, let me search Gmail. See when you're using personal accounts. 2 months ago, a month ago. Okay. Google Drive the cloud-based platform. This is blah blah blah. You must have connect drive or make. Connect an email ending in my. I think to create customer or client. I don't know if I've created one. So we can follow this link to show us how to create one in our Google Cloud platform for our email. Yeah, I've not created one for this email address. I only created for my other ones. So I will have to agree and continue. Okay, let's follow the procedure. Then yeah, remember you create a project and project name. Create a project. So let's start from here. You can go from student project, organization, project. I don't want to start for free. Dismiss. I'll show project name, your quota, request my project name. We can call this. Wait, why is? I don't know whether I'm meant to have one though. We can call this load includes. I can't remember. It's been a minute I did this. Can be changed later. It's been a minute I did this. Okay. So enter project name and location for your project. Okay, so I know you are going to add some API and services or OAuth. Let me see what it said. Create project, we did that. But yeah, you go to your API and services, go to Gmail API. No. I know you might still come back to OAuth, then you search, you enable API and services. And after you enable it, you search for Gmail API. Okay, yeah, okay. Then you enable it. You give it a second. Okay, so this is your metrics. It shows the API's usage, the quota and set limits for your account. You can create a quota usage alert or edit your quota, discover user trends, insights, and use the group and aggregate the usages. Okay, also filtering, page right dimension, this column. Okay, so this just groups things together to help for filtering. But yeah, we've not done anything yet, so we are good. So okay, I think this is where we create the OAuth, or we can do it from the OAuth screen, content screen. Let me see. But yeah, enable. You see the manage button, tell the enable button, you can proceed. Now you go to the OAuth consent screen. Yes, left side bar, click Google Auth platform. Let's see, what is that? Okay. Get started. Is this it though? Google Auth platform, yeah. get started. Okay, enter make as the app, provide your Gmail account. Okay, so in the right place then, app name, make, this for this, next, your audience, what does it say? Select external, click next. This is why I like the documentation. They'll like tell you what to put in every stage. If you still don't find it, you can go to the community, where you can ask questions and have people help you, figure out how to set it up. Click on external, next, consent. Oh, here's my free cheap gmail.com. Just make sure next, I agree, continue, and before I create, let me just see. Okay, create. So now you have the metrics. You can now create an OAuth client. Application type. This should be a web application. Yeah, let's see though what Gmail says. Okay, this wants us to go to branding instead. We'll come back to clients, I'm guessing. So we are here. You know what? This is making it longer, so I'm just gonna do this. So that way it's side by side and I can go through setting it up. Oh, where did it go? Okay, no, this is it. So I'm just gonna have it side by side so that way I can walk faster. Yeah. So where did I stop? So in the branding section under authorized domains, you want to add a domain, and we will want to add make.com. Then we want to add another domain, and that will be integrates into it. This is their former domain name, integromat.com. I think save, and we can go to the audience section. Okay, because we okay, so we can go to the audience section. It's optional, but let me see what we're talking about. I just want everything to work well, so we will also do that. Test users. I know I did this the last time. Yeah, I think if you don't put it as a tester, it's not gonna work because you're on a free account. So you have to, go with tester role. I might be wrong. Can't remember. While publishing status is set to testing, only test users are able to access the app. Allowed users cap prior to app verification is 100 and it's counted over the entire lifetime of the app. Okay. So I think that will nothing will count. In the data access session, click add or remove scopes. Add the following. I think we're going to search this if correct. Go ahead, property name or value. So this is it. Yeah. Like commonly add the it's good, like it does not appear. Okay, it does not appear. Then you add it down there. Then you want to add another one. This will be the mail.google.com. This is another API that will read, compose, send, and permanently delete all your email from Gmail. So this API is giving it access to do all of this to your mailbox. So we can read it, we can compose, send, and delete as well. Updates. Updates. Wait a minute. Okay. So the mail Google automatically goes to the restricted scope. The non-sensitive automatically sees the primary Google. I can see why it's restricted. Okay. Sees the primary Google account email address. I hope that doesn't affect anything. Okay, let's see. We can add scope using a table filters, a window to monitor, click update, click save. Okay. I think I did. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, if you keep your project in a testing status, you'll be required to authorize your connection and make every week. So, I mean, yeah, you have to go through the Google verification process. Yeah, that is why I think I just left it at testing and just reauthorize again, which is saving me from any kind of attack or anything to make. I don't hope or think they would be attacked, but I'm just saying. Yeah, so for more information regarding project, refer to the. So yeah, so we're going to create our Gmail client credentials now. So now we're going to come here, we're going to create a client. In the application type, we'll choose web application, yes. Update the name of your old client. This will be Flow Thinkers name in the authorized URL. I'm going to use this. So this is how, like, for every module you use, you have to like set it up depending on what you are trying to do, you know. So it's not like we just drag and drop all the time. Like every different modules requires like different tasks or parameters that you have to like do, you know. So you should be prepared for that. So I think now that this has been done, I'm going to cover this. You guys can't see it. It's because I'm going to take it. I'm going to. Oh, look at it written up there. That's some LOL. But we can copy the client ID and client secret fields and make. I will save them in my. Where is it though? How can I get the client secrets? Download. Oh, okay, let's do something. Let's put this away. So we have our client ID. So now we go back to Gmail. We show advanced setting. We put in our client ID. Sign in using that. So I'm signing it now. It's asking me to choose my account. It said you've been given access to an app that's currently being tested. You should continue. You know the continue. Continue. Read, compose, send, permanent delete. Yes, I want the one in the restricted section as well. Giving access to myself. and voila, you have until December 1st before the end of the year to authorize my connection. So this is set. Okay, so now we can close this. So that is how you connect your Gmail